my best, but in reviewing the evidence, Judge, it seems like it doesn't meet the elements of the offense. So although he is absent, we're requesting the court consider this motion, Judge.
Okay. Right, thank you.
Your Honor, be excused.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
All right. Oh, on this one,
We haven't agreed.
Oh, that's a big moment. The judge just set a $40,000 bond. In plain English, that means Mendes can get out of jail if he posts that amount. But it also shows the court still sees him as a flight or safety risk. What do you think? Fair or too soon?
Recommendation.
do you have the motion or not?
I have a motion and Ms. Galloway signed the motion.
Thank
with,
you.
some conditions.
All right, so defense stand here. Is that your client?
It is.
Mr. Mendes, if you'll come up, please. Cindy, we're gonna go on the record. Court is calling 2020 CR 2487 State versus Christopher Mendes. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Good morning, Your Honor. Christian Newman on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Mendes, and he is present today.
And are you Mr. Mendes? All right, we're here on a motion to revoke. The defense has filed a motion to set bond. The court is making an assumption. If it's incorrect, let me know. I'm assuming he's remanded without bond because there's a motion to revoke. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And for no other reason?
Correct.
All right. So, state, are you prepared to proceed on the motion to set bond? And it's the court's understanding that you all have agreed to a bond amount of $40,000?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. For the record, the court is aware of the defendant's issues as far as setting conditions for bond. So this is what the court will do. The court will set your bond at $40,000. The court is going to order 30 sober meetings in 30 days. And there's one other.
Here's where things get real. Judges often ask about mental health to decide if treatment, not just jail time, might be part of the solution. It's a reminder this isn't always about punishment. Sometimes it's about rehabilitation.
Thing that I need to ask Mr. Mendes, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, Mr. Mendes, since you've been on probation out of this court, have you had any type of mental health treatment? Have you been taking any type of mental health medication that has been prescribed? All right, thank you. All right, the court will then, as previously stated, the bond will be set at $40,000 and you're to complete 30 sober meetings in 30 days. Miss Ferguson, I need a reset for 20 days for a contested MTR. And if it's not contested, counsel, let us know.
Will do, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, what date?
Judge, you said 20 days?
Yes. Oh, and I'm sorry, state, you may be excused.
I can do October 23rd.
All right, so we'll be back here on October 23rd. If you'll give him a reset form, please. Thank you.
And one question, Your Honor.
Yes.
I did let him know today that because of the warrant on the MTR, he'd probably be taken into custody. We were going to ask the court whether he would be allowed to process through satellite or if he needs to go to the jail to process out in custody.
You'll need to talk to the deputy about that because they now have different rules that there's certain offense you're not allowed to process out from the court. But the deputy would be the best person to answer that question.
Thank you,
Okay,
Judge.
thank you.
Appreciate it.
And Norma, you said October when?
23rd.
All right, thank you.
May I be excused to talk to the deputy?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Matthew Raymond Meyer.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How's your day going so far?
It's so far so good, Judge. I hope it stays that way. I think it will.
As I look at the judges on the wall,
Yes.
your eyes don't necessarily follow everyone, but I see you every morning. You have that smile, so I appreciate that.
What am I looking at? That's creepy, Judge. Isn't it?
You're looking at me. I say, hi, Joey.
I'm looking straight at you, right? Hey, Judge.
All right. So on this case, where are we?
This case has a companion DWI.
Mhm.
We're very close to an agreement already,
Okay.
but I need to negotiate with the other case where I'm going to go.
You don't see that every day, a judge dropping birthday jokes mid-hearing. It lightens the mood, but also shows how routine these proceedings can become.
I'd like some time to continue our negotiations. There's also some discovery missing, but I think that's not gonna be an issue.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, on this case, I need a plea deadline date in 30 days. All right. I'll be in a great mood because that's my birth month.
It's your birth month?
Yeah.
Okay, Judge, we will return then.
All right. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring the reset form to you. And Dora, if you can make sure it's on both cases.
The other one's a
Write
misdemeanor.
this down.
The other case is a misdemeanor.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 011954, State versus Dora Marie Bravo. Can I have parties announce?
Daniel Cranbrook for the defense.
And are you Dora Marie Bravo?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? You're going to need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Dora Marie Bravo who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 011954 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 2, less than 1 gram, on June 3rd, 2025 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Filing condition number 14AA, on or about the 11th day of August, 2025, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Dora Marie Bravo, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department, in that the defendant failed to follow TAP recommendations for SATF in violation of condition number 14A.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? Did you understand by pleading true to violation 14AA, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of 14AA?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 14AA true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt and sentence to 126 days in the state jail facility under 12 party.
Would it be in the Bexar County Jail? The
Yes, state jail facility, Bexar County Jail.
Those
No.
are.
I'm
Oh,
sorry,
just 1 second.
Bexar County Jail, Your Honor.
This is the turning point. The defendant wants a simple county jail sentence, but the judge is about to push back hard, emphasizing that probation isn't optional. It's a contract with the court.
No problem.
Apologies.
No problem. All right, here's my question. What has she done on probation?
She never came out of custody, Your Honor. So she took the plea back in June, and they recommended SATF, which she didn't agree to.
Okay.
So she's been in custody for the whole time.
All right, so I'm not going to follow this agreement. There are rules and regulations that you have to follow for probation. Otherwise, you're not on probation. You're just doing your thing and telling people what you would not do. Your conditions of probation were parenting classes, which tells me,
I signed up for parenting while I'm in.
no. So here's the thing. You were supposed to be going to SATF because obviously you have a drug or alcohol problem. If you did not, they would not have recommended that. So I'm sorry, what?
It wasn't on the paperwork that it was given to me.
No, they told you that you're supposed to be going to SATA
She's saying for your evaluation, not for
Yeah.
your original plea.
because according to the conditions that I gave you, I said that you were not to have any contact with Roberto Avalos, JCPenney stores, and that you're to complete the TAP evaluation while in custody, follow TAP recommendations.
Here's a powerful moment. The judge ties parenting requirements to community safety. It's a reminder that these cases often go beyond the defendant. They can ripple through families. 06. And that's the harsh reality. Short sentences can sometimes mean little actual accountability. Do you think the judge is right to push for stricter probation instead of a quick jail stint?
A referral to felony drug court and you decided you don't want to do that, and now you feel as though you're entitled to an agreement where you just do Bexar County jail time. It's not going to happen because you didn't follow the conditions that the court set for you.
If I may, Your Honor.
Yes.
She doesn't have any felony convictions at this time. She was willing to take the conviction in order to not waste anybody's time. She just doesn't think so that she'll be successful on the probation, and so she's asking for the full plea.
All right. Well, what I can tell you, part of my issue is, well, not issues, part of my duties is to protecting the community. And for me to say that you were to do parenting classes, that means that you have a child. Otherwise, I wouldn't have recommended parenting classes.
She doesn't have custody of him at this time.
Yeah, see, that's the problem. The at this time part, that's the problem. So what would end up happening is you would go to jail, you would do your 124 days or whatever it is. The jail would give you 3 for 1, and you probably have a judgment satisfied, or they give you 2 for 1. You probably have a judgment satisfied. You would walk out, go do your drugs or whatever, and then go pick up your child from wherever he is.